Bonjour! In this video, you learn how to buy an item of clothing in a shop in French. For example, in the shop, the conversation might begin like this. Bonjour, je peux vous aider? Bonjour, oui, je voudrais acheter une chemise. Voici notre sélection de chemises. Let's break it down. The first typical sentence is Je peux vous aider? It's a very common sentence in France used by shop assistant to find out if you need any help. It means, can I help you? So, repeat out loud this first sentence slowly. Je peux vous aider? Your turn. Well done. Note the linking of sounds and the rising of intonation. Je peux vous aider. There's a linking of sound there. And as it's a question, you will say, Je peux vous aider? Second typical sentence. Je voudrais acheter. I'd like to buy. For these two words, je voudrais, you hear a sound you have already listened to. It's a sound OU, like in bonjour. Okay? So let's repeat this. Je voudrais. Your turn. Again. Je voudrais. And notice, at the end, you have the sound A, like in français. We have already seen that in a previous lesson. Je voudrais. Last time, your turn. Je voudrais. Well done. Now, let's say what you'd like to buy. For example, je voudrais acheter une chemise. I'd like to buy a shirt. Je voudrais acheter une chemise. Your turn. Well done. Je voudrais acheter un t-shirt. I'd like to buy a t-shirt. Repeat out loud. Je voudrais acheter un t-shirt. Your turn. Again, je voudrais acheter un t-shirt. Well done. Notice that we said je voudrais acheter une chemise, but je voudrais acheter un t-shirt because in French you have feminine and masculine form of nouns and you can translate the English by une if it's a feminine word, like in une chemise, but with un if it's a masculine word, un t-shirt. Repeat slowly. Je voudrais acheter un t-shirt. Your turn. Great. Let's learn more vocabulary for clothes. For example, une jupe. Une jupe. Yes, it's a skirt. How would you say, I'd like to buy a skirt in French? Yes, je voudrais acheter une jupe. Now, un costume. Un costume, it's a suit. How would you say, I'd like to buy a suit? Correct. Je voudrais acheter un costume. It's masculine. So it was, je voudrais acheter une jupe féminine, but je voudrais acheter un costume, it's masculine. A pair of jeans is un jean. It's not plural. Un jean. How would you say? I'd like to buy a pair of jeans. Oui, c'est ça. Je voudrais acheter un jean. The same with trousers. Un pantalon is a pair of trousers in French. The second step, you're going to tell the shop assistant what you buy. In French, you will say, je prends, blah, blah, blah. For example, je prends cette chemise. I take this shirt. Repeat, je prends cette chemise. Repeat again. Je prends ce costume. Repeat. Again. Notice something. This time, to say this, you can say je prends cette chemise, féminine, but je prends ce costume, masculine. So in French, this can be translated cette if it's in front of a feminine noun, but ce, it's in front of a masculine noun. Knowing that, how would you say, I take this t-shirt? Yes, t-shirt, un t-shirt, it's masculine, so you'll say, je prends ce t-shirt. How would you say, I'll take this pair of jeans? Yes, in French it's un jean, masculine, so you say, I'll take, so you'd say, je prends ce jean. You don't say, je prends cette jean. Je prends ce jean. Now we are at the last step of this lesson, asking for the price and indicating your payment method. I'm going to read a short dialogue. Listen and we'll break it down. Je prends ce pantalon. Ça fait combien? Un total de 60 euros. Vous payez par carte ou en espèces? Par carte, s'il vous plaît. So, let's break it down. Ça fait combien? How much is that? Repeat. Ça fait combien? Repeat again. Ça fait combien? Notice that you raise your voice at the end as it's a question. Ça fait combien? And the shop assistant may answer, un total de 60 euros. A total of 60 euros. In French, you probably know the currency is euros. We won't enter in the details of number in this video, but tell me in the comment section if you would like a video on that. Finally, when you are at the till, you usually be asked whether you like to pay by card or in cash. Just notice the use of vous, who means you, but in a formal context in French. So in the shop, you will use vous and not tu, which means you too. In everyday life, shop assistant, we often only use the last word of the sentence. So instead of saying vous payez en espèces ou par carte, you will probably hear par carte ou en espèces. Par carte ou en espèces. Repeat. Par carte ou en espèces. Your turn. Jouer. Now you know how to shop clothes in a French-speaking shop. Don't hesitate to replay the video for more practice. And if you're interested for a specific topic for the next video, just comment below.